In today's informative video, I will demonstrate an effective method to disable TikTok notifications from appearing on your device. The initial step is to launch the TikTok application and navigate to your profile icon, which is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile, click on the three horizontal lines, which represent the menu option. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Under the Content and Activity section, locate and open the Push Notifications option. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of all TikTok notifications. To disable or enable specific notifications, simply toggle the switch next to each notification accordingly. On the Push Notifications page, you have the ability to manage not only the appearance and sounds of notifications, but also the types of notifications you receive. For instance, you can customize the video suggestion notifications you prefer to receive or opt to receive notifications when specific accounts you follow go live on TikTok. By utilizing these options, you can effectively manage and personalize your TikTok notification preferences. I hope this information proves useful to you.